I'm going to show you how to clean up disk space safely, efficiently and smartly on Windows. If you're storing your files on local drive and you're not using OneDrive or Teams, then just go to the old disk cleanup, delete the temp folder, delete the recycle bin and so on, the traditional way. But if you are storing files on cloud, there is a much better, smarter way of doing it. In cloud situation, go to the new settings, system and storage. First, it will show you a list of all the important storage locations and how much space they are occupying. If any one of them is unnecessary, of course, you can delete them. Then you'll have the new version of cleanup recommendations. Go through them. This will be temporary files, large files and so on. Use the correct option. But the one which is powerful but least understood is storage sense. If your files are on cloud, they are synced. That means there is a local copy and there is a cloud copy. You have to understand these icons. Cloud version means there is no local copy, no space occupied here, only on cloud. Green tick mark means there was a file which you double clicked on, it got downloaded and now there is a local copy. And white tick mark means you have decided that whether you are online or offline, you want to make sure all these files you always have access to. So in that case, you have to go right click on a file or folder and then say always keep on this device. Whenever you do that, you will get a white tick mark. Now, whether it is a green tick mark or a white tick mark, it means that it's occupying space locally. When you go to storage sense, it is capable of running itself automatically at some frequency. And when it wants to find opportunities of getting rid of some unwanted files, it looks at files with green tick mark. They are anyway there on cloud, so it's just going to remove them locally. They will become cloud files. But the files which have white tick mark are not touched because you have explicitly told Windows, I want these files always locally available. Of course, it is going to run when the space is low. But you can also say do it every day, every week. I would say every week is a good option. And then further, you can also say delete recycle bin from here itself. So you don't have to go and then downloads folder as well, because many times you have downloads which you have never touched for years. And then locally available cloud content, which is what the green and white marks we were talking about. Content flag does always keep on this device. That means white tick mark will never be affected. Further granularity you get because for every location you have synced, whether it is OneDrive or Teams or SharePoint, you can decide at what frequency this storage sense runs. So that's how you make sure when there is a panic situation, how do you clean up disk space safely? And more importantly, how to manage it in such a way that you never run out of disk space. If you found this useful, please subscribe and click on the bell icon because I create content like this almost every day. Share it with people. Let everyone become efficient. If I miss something, put a comment. If you have a query, ask me. I am there to help you. So that's it for now. See you next time.